Huwag kang magselos sa iyong minamahal. Tuturuan mo sila kung paano ka sasaktan.
Bakit galit si Mami?
Picture is up.
Okay, guys.
Here we go.
Roll.
Let's get everyone in position.
Point the gun to the right. Ready? And action.
Kill two birds, take one.
Kill Two Birds is a cautionary tale about a family that's completely falling apart.
Seeing her again, I can feel it! You're doing this for revenge, aren't you?
It's a collection of everything we've ever been scared of. It's on a direct collision course with pain. I knew it on page 1 that I wanted to play Kate. What if every single person could only listen to one last song? What would yours be?
C'est plein de secrets, surtout pour MJ. Il en savait trop.
Quiet, please.
Kill two birds, jail scene, take one. I never really thought it was gonna be easy to make a movie, but there's a lot that goes into it. I completely forgot that lighting was an aspect, and I think that took the longest to set up.
Okay, ready? And action. Oh, that was the one. That was good. Okay, let's do one more. Give me one more.
Marjoe and I have been friends for over 10 years, and when you're working for that long, you develop this shorthand.
And cut.
Thanks, man.
Nice.
A sort of a non-verbal way of communicating where you could just give each other a look and you'll know exactly what they're asking for.
When Devin found out MJ was going to be our main character, he immediately said, I need to shoot this. And that was the moment Kill Two Birds was born.
Check.
Wait, why are we fighting again?
Why are we fighting again?
Right there, and then take a few steps back, and then you could kind of start running up.
Not down, let's no more.
Stop it!
Yeah, that was the one. Perfect, cut, move on.
My dad and I have actually been making short films for years now, since I was a little kid.
So that's that, huh, MJ?
Yeah, Dad. That's that.
So that's that, huh? Yeah, Dad. That's that.
That's a whole lot of fun.
Kill Two Birds is a legacy project for us. Especially with Quil. You seeing them act, it's like you're seeing a different person emerge, and it's kind of weird.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Oh yeah, let's go, let's do it.
Everyone frame up on faces.
He faked tears. I was like, dude, where did that come from?
We're all speeding.
Yep.
Action.
He like actually punched me by accident.
Is my lip bleeding?
A little bit.
Yeah, I hit it on Quil.
Oh, we're. It looks good though.
With Marjoe and Devin, there's always this clarity of purpose. I mean, every single shot was intentional and deeply rooted in metaphor.
Tous les deux ensemble, c'est une combinaison mortelle.
We wanted to create a world that had its own set of morals, with a very particular mood and feel.
Won't you imagine us for so long? I should find so close, but who cares?
It felt like I was in a daze. It almost looks dreamlike.
We knew right away that the tone for Kill Two Birds is beautiful tension, which ultimately became our emotional signature.
We arrived at this idea that like the story is basically like these 5 different core emotions, which is lust, greed, pride, jealousy, and betrayal. And when we were location scouting at all these different places, we sort of figured out that you can apply an emotion to each one of these locations as well.
There's the tunnel, there's the train tracks, even the bank.
Shooting a bank robbery scene in a bank during business hours was one of the most fun experiences.
We wanted to capture the grittiness of the city and also the comfort of the suburbs at the same time.
We were on this scout day, we took these photos, and we saw Marjoe sitting on this trailer. He was surrounded by red and then blue. And so we started thinking of sirens, we started thinking of police lights, and we started thinking of this theme of the whole movie.
And speeding.
Jada got it.
Action. His hand, and I love that the cuffs are there.
Yeah.
So I would just do the same thing.
For the railroad sequence, even though it's just a scene of just two people talking,
we're gonna do a little mini scout. We're gonna find the most efficient area to stage.
Can I say, like, so what'd you do?
Should we look away too when it do the same thing? No, just keep looking.
there's so much logistics involved, sort of making it safe for everybody, making sure the light is right.
We had these incredibly important beats to capture with very little time.
We scouted the location about a month before we shot. We estimated exactly where the angle of the sun was going to be and what time we were going to film on the exact date, so we could sort of predict the angle of the sun and like know exactly how the light was going to be.
You're one more.
I like the screech in your voice there.
You like that?
The raspiness.
Another one?
Now look like off to the right. Just be in that moment for a minute.
Oh, it was tough. There was a lot of outside distractions, like trains coming across. One train actually stopped right in front of us for like a minute or two, and we were like, yo.
When I say now, deliver the line.
We never had time to second guess ourselves.
Before we knew it,
Hey, yo, this you? We don't need calls for this.
That's just mad expensive, too. At the heart of Kill Two Birds, it really is the music that my character is trying to put out there. I'm gonna just like start it earlier too, and then I'll just be over here pretending I'm fiddling with it as we're playing.
Cool.
Yeah.
Right on.
MJ, ikaw kumuha nito?
Opo.
Throughout the narrative, we're always hinting about the song that MJ's writing.
Kill Two Birds is quite lyrical.
The music for Kill Two Birds played a huge part. We were defining emotions with music, giving it shape.
J'aime tous mes baisers en français. Tout ce que vous voyez ici, c'est une expression de qui nous sommes. Chaque scène dégage cette chaleur peu commune.
Everything informs the cinematography, including the music.
Now, deadpan into the camera. Cut.
When we first meet Kate, she's tragically unaware of what's going on. Little does she know that her predicament is about to change.
May kailangan akong sabihin sa'yo.
Elle sait?
Hindi.
She doesn't know it. But everyone else does. In my world, everything goes wrong.
Sasha comprend que la haine est une émotion qui coûte cher. Alors elle choisit la vengeance à la place. Il était à moi la première. À moi. Sasha ne reculera devant rien pour obtenir ce qu'elle veut. Elle utilise la séduction comme une arme. Quitte à ce qu'elle soit blessée en cours de chemin.
Okay, let's roll.
Au fur et à mesure que les enjeux deviennent de plus en plus élevés, la loyauté de Sasha envers Marjoe devient de plus en plus malade.
All right, here we go.
Sasha is batshit crazy.
She's like a snake in the grass, just like waiting for her moment to strike.
Growing up in the Philippines and now working in New York City, I'm constantly surrounded by so many different languages.
J'espère que vous apprécierez la bande-annonce.
Kaya kami ni MJ, parati kami nagsalita ng Tagalog. Oh, totoo ba sinasabi nila?
Hindi ka maniniwala. Speaking Tagalog was like weird.
The train's coming, we should do the last line.
Alam ko na.
Alam ko na.
Alam ko na.
I felt like I was saying it wrong, but then they were like, no, that's perfect. You said it right.
Take your time going in, take your time going out. But
And
same
3,
delivery is perfect.
2, 1, action.
Narinig ko sa puso ko.
Cut, 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 cut.
Si Noella naman, parating Francais dahil French siya.
All right, lock it up. Here we go, everybody. Settle.
Tu sais que mon père peut vous aider.
Tapos si Tony,
Which other line?
parating Italiano.
Choose your next words wisely.
Okay.
Napolitano. Not
Napolitano.
so angry, but more threatening.
Non mo contate fassaria.
Pero lahat kami naintindihan namin bawat isa.
And action.
We all do bad things sometimes.
Meanwhile, there's MJ getting pulled in so many different directions. You have all of these problems and all of these people just constantly orbiting around him.
And then finally, Kate breaks.
Kill Two Birds got a little bit of everything in it.
It's sexy.
It's disrespectful.
It's mischievous.
C'est hostile.
It's badass.
We all do bad things sometimes.
C'est sacrément sombre et ça dégouline de désir. J'adorerais jouer encore Sasha.
You know, we're already planning our next projects.
There was a lot of serendipity involved. All of the right people just showed up.
Kill Two Birds was a marvelous journey.